Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Geneva. Let's be honest, the motor show, it's fun, but it's kind of boring at the same time because the cars are just sat there in a convention center. Well, today's gonna be a very different day. This seems like a proper way to start today's video. The world's coolest doors ever. The curvature on this front windshield is just amazing. It's not a very tall windshield. Of course, you got that central windshield wiper right there. This is the Naraya, one of 25 RSs in the world. That was the ML. Okay, so if you were wearing headphones, I apologize for that. They just blew out my left eardrum. That Aventador has, I don't know what kind of exhaust is on it, but it's quite loud. It's very loud. That's also quite loud. The top is coming off the Naraya. Perfect. This is actually worth more than the entire car. Car sold. So good. It does. I think this would be a proper time to say we have views on views. We could have put the hardtop in the front boot of the Koenigsegg, but it's kind of a tight fit, and well, Gordon's such a good driver, might as well have him take it in the Stelvio. This is so sick. Check out that view, guys. We have the Aventador S there in the back. We have the ML up front. The squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron is taking over Geneva. Geneva, the weather, how do we say this? It's a bit bipolar and it can change very, very quickly. And this car, well, it's Alcantara, it's carbon fiber, it's very, very nice. I think we'll be okay, I hope. We pray. Speedometer goes up to 450 kilometers an hour. Redline is 7,000 RPMs. Of course, it's a twin turbocharged V8. This car has just under 3,000 kilometers on it. That's gotta be one of the highest mileage RSs in the world, if not the highest. I told you guys, Passen's a hero. He's hooking up everybody. The infotainment screen on the Koenigsegg, we got the G meter there on the left, and on the right we have our tire pressure and tire temperature. Data on data. The pops from that ML. We have the best view, guys. We're hooking you up. Passen is hooking us up right now. You might say that carnage is ensuing here in Geneva. I don't know if that captured it on camera. That was deafening, the pops from the Agera RS. If you guys ever get an opportunity to ride in a Koenigsegg, I mean, obviously that's probably the dumbest thing I've ever said. Obviously you take that opportunity. It is the most amazing experience. There's nothing like it. There's no other hypercar that can compare to a Koenigsegg. I told you, Passen, you're a hero, you're a mate. I mean, like, a Chiron is fun, a 918 is fun, a P1 is fun, but an Agera RS is life-changing, guys. It is the most crazy experience riding around in one of these cars. It's on cue. I probably should close the door here real quick. Obviously, that would be a bad day. Wow. The RS Naraya. It's so cool to see the roof off of the RS. You really get an awesome look at that interior, the blue Alcantara, the polished blue carbon fiber. And look at that gold leafing there on the steering wheel. The gold leafing here on the exhaust. Now you guys might remember the ML. Last year, we went on the most epic drive of all time with this car in the Swiss Alps. If you haven't seen that video, there's a link in the description below. One of the flaws, if you will, of the Koenigsegg door, it's super cool, but in a situation like this, you have to make sure that you don't scrape the door on the curb. Check that out, it's super, super close. Taking a quick look inside. Look at that, we have the emergency hammer.
Okay guys, follow us.
Everywhere you go in a Koenigsegg, chaos ensues. And just we've only been here for like 2 minutes, and there's a massive, massive crowd here. I don't need a fancy yacht or a fancy house or fancy watches or anything, but a Koenigsegg Agera RS. That is goals on goals. What a car. This is the key to Swedish happiness, the Naraya right here. Wow, what a car, what a day. We were gonna try to check the hardtop of the Naraya back to America, but EasyJet won't let us take it, so we're gonna have to return it. There it is, so. Carbon fiber, super, super lightweight. Awesome, well, thanks Passon, appreciate it. What a car. We're back here in the Stelvio. If I told you I knew where we were going, that wouldn't really be true, but we're gonna go somewhere cool. So, yeah, we'll see you there. We're here at Car Ugati, and we have unicorns on unicorns, YRBC, Apollo IE. We got carbon fiber overload. Of course, there's only 20 of the YRBCs in the world. This is a US car all the way from Florida. This is probably the most customized BC in the world. You can see that roof scoop. It also has these Zonda Cinque style vents, and then check out the enormity of this carbon fiber rear wing. We got the sports titanium exhaust. This is the Macchina Volante, all the way from Florida, United States of America. Full blue exposed carbon fiber. Dude, a UFO for the streets. Well, usually you'd call a BC a UFO for the streets, but when it's next to a fully exposed purple carbon Apollo IE, well, this kind of disappears. You guys might remember the Apollo IE. We saw this car in Hong Kong, but we saw the black one. This one, I kid you not, this is purple carbon fiber. Oh, my dream spec car is purple exposed carbon with white interior. So this is very, very close. We got the gold wheels. There's only gonna be 10 of the Apollo IEs ever built. There's 2 prototypes. This is one of them, and then the one we saw in Hong Kong. You guys might remember this very, very special shark fin. Look at that thing. Goodness gracious, the girth. Has there ever been a more girthy back end on a production car? The Hulktador. That's a factory Lamborghini paint right there. We have Aventadors on Aventadors. Very, very nice Aventador S right there. And we have the F12 TDF. A fun fact about that Aventador. Now, a handful of days ago, Centenario Coupe number 20 of 20 was delivered to a Lamborghini dealership here in the country of Switzerland. I'm not saying we're headed there. I'm not saying we are. Wait. Wait for it, wait for it. GTC4 Lusso right there.
Bentley.
Ooh, 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 it's like an Easter egg color Bentley. GTC4 Lusso number 1. And it's matching twin right here. I love the back end of this car. Shooting brake from Ferrari. We're talking front engine V12, 690 horsepower, all-wheel drive. This one is rocking Pirelli Soto Zero winter tires. That's a 2 thumbs up. That's a 2 thumbs up. We are chasing unicorns here in some random parking garage in the middle of Geneva. Stumbled across this Porsche Carrera GT. However, this one has been rebodied by Zagato. You'll notice that rear deck lid is ever so slightly different. Whoa, unicorn hunt. The Lusso's headed home. He wouldn't mind revving it for, nope, nope, I'm not gonna rev it. Oh, there goes the other one. We're in a maze.
Wait, there's food here, look. Are these free or what?
I don't know if it's free.
What's it say?
I think it's the honor system.
No way.
No, I'm serious, it's the honor system. Guys, this is like in the hallway. There's snacks. Nature chips. Welcome to room 123 at the Best Western in Lucerne, Switzerland. Ooh, that timing was essentially good. We made it here to Switzerland. Tomorrow we have nothing planned, but it should be a fun day. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.